In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Thinkorswim Time and Sales. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it and how to read the stream of trade data so you can better understand what's happening in the market in real time. First, open the Thinkorswim desktop platform. Once it's loaded, head to the Trade tab. This is where you can look up symbols and see detailed market information. In the symbol box, type in a stock ticker you want to follow. Something liquid like AAPL or SPY works great when you're learning because there's a lot of activity to watch. After you enter the symbol, scroll down the page until you see the Time and Sales section. If you don't spot it immediately, keep scrolling. It's a dedicated panel that updates continuously. When it appears, you'll see a live table listing the most recent trades for the symbol you chose. Think of Time and Sales as the tape, a running record of every executed trade, shown in the order it happens. It's not a forecast or an average, these are actual prints. As new trades come in, the list will update from top to bottom, giving you a sense of pace, size, and momentum. This is especially helpful when you want to confirm whether interest is building at certain prices or if activity is drying up. Let's break down the columns you'll see so the data is meaningful. The time column tells you the exact moment a trade executed. This helps you gauge speed. If timestamps are flying by, participation is high. If they slow, activity is cooling. Next is the price column. This shows the actual execution price for each trade. Watching how price ticks, whether it's stepping up, down, or chopping around a level, can help you sense short-term direction and where buyers or sellers might be more aggressive. Then you'll see size, which is the number of shares traded in that specific print. Larger sizes can hint at institutional interest, while a stream of small sizes may indicate more retail flow. What matters isn't a single large print by itself, but how size clusters at certain prices and how it changes when price approaches key levels. Finally, the exchange column tells you where the trade occurred. You'll see different venue codes here. The exact code is less important than recognizing that trades can route across multiple venues while still reflecting the same underlying market. Use Time and Sales alongside your charts to confirm what you're seeing. Watch for bursts of activity, repeated prints at the same price, and shifts in size as price moves. With practice, this live tape becomes a powerful layer of insight to complement your analysis.